A 30-year-old Tiprasa working in Bangalore from South Tripura Maharani village passed away on Friday night due to heart attack. His name was Jamatia. The Bangalore Tipra People's Foundation helped the deceased family to send the corpse in the state. Once again, a 30-year-old Tiprasa working in Bangalore from South Tripura Maharani village passed away on Friday night due to heart attack. His name was Jamatia. Jamatia left his wife and 2 children behind. The members of Bangalore Tipra People's Foundation immediately went to the deceased resident at Karnataka Anekal district area after they got the information. Likewise, they helped the deceased family to send the corpse in the state with all the support.
Khulunga taku song hang Dinesh the Burma Bangalore Tripura People Foundation ni kaisa director tini hai no hai sini taku khorokcha jivan sadan jamatia nei Maharani area ni langma chawai thangka mia thanai horni 11 ta somoyo bini langma chamani karon ke bosa khamia angai bithi chathini bolung khana aben bagabini bo thupro bini heart attack ngai bo thui thangja khaba langma chawai thangja kha chini team nibishing toi chung jesa khlaiman cha khlaiga bini dead bodies ne formalities tok jotono clear khlai chung rohari rekha khana bini dead bodies hawai nai Tripura o so koi tabak sini John the Burma Bangalore Tripura People Foundation John the Burma Tripura ono thangja bona lam sogono chini takuk thui thanai ni mang thi no bini logi thangi tong bini bu phayong jibon manik jamatia hambai mario jotono no je tini phai manjak phai ni rokno bini pal song bini parani borok rok je oro tong na rok jotono je phai chuba chuklai ni rokno ba logi ro phai ni rokno jotono no belai na hambai mario ang khabai khaklai jong age bom tikino kaisa no jongjal somoyo chubalai thanglai manana noi jotono hambai te oisa ang Dinesh the Burma Bangalore Tripura People Foundation ni director khulumka.
In the end, the deceased brother Jivan Manik Jamatia arrived in the state bringing the corpse of Jivan Sadan Jamatia on Sunday afternoon. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.